Hi, English with AliSir. Today we are going to have a look on present perfect tense. Present perfect tenses generally indicate the completion of an action in the present time. So we generally lay the emphasis on the result or effect of an action on the present. For example, Ali has done well in exams. He has done his work. You have taken your tea. You have got your skill. You have killed the snake. The boys have broken all windows. Present perfect tense with singular nouns and third person singular pronouns. For example, he, she, it. We use has plus past participle form of verb. That means third form of verb. With plural nouns and the pronouns I, you, we, and they, we generally use have plus past participle form of verb, that is third form of verb. For example, let's take a couple of examples for this. For example, positive statement would be I have done it. Negative would be I have not done it or I haven't done it. Question would be have I done it? First person plural would be we have done it. Negative statement would be we have not done it or we haven't done it. Question would be have we done it? Second person would be you have done it. Negative would be you have not done it. Question would be have you done it? Third person singular would be he has done it or she has done it. Negative would be he has not done it, she has not done it, it has not done it. Or question would be has he done it? Has she done it? Has it done it? Third person plural would be they have done it. Negative statement would be they have not done it. A question would be have they done it? So generally, perfect tenses show the completion of sentence. Since we are discussing here present perfect tense, so present perfect tense or have got the structure subject plus have, has plus past participle, that is third form of verb plus object. So they generally show completion of an action in present time. So present perfect tense shows the action has got done just by now or sometime before. In contradiction to that, in opposite to that, past perfect tense, which we are not discussing this time, past perfect tense show the actions done in far past. That means in old times. So thank you for watching this video.